Alright, stand up, Vanguard. Machine will be.
Fake vector.
Ride. Machining Caucasus. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, forewarning, this machining deck is Japanese meta. It's got the majority of Japanese cards in it, so 12. No guard. Just thought it'd be a fun little thing to do. Draw trigger. Power Vanguard, draw. Remain, stand in, and draw. Ride, machining tarantula. And yes, my machining cicadas are draw triggers because I cannot find Raider Mantis for the life of me. Call machining Caucasus and machining Red Soldier. 15 to Vanguard.
Sure.
Check. Machining Hornet.
Roger.
Caucasus effect. Stun. 17.
Sure.
You go.
At least I'm not getting triggers.
Which means you're gonna hit him now. See? It's good. Wow, did you just soul charge 6
Yep.
without any triggers?
Yeah.
Oh my lordy. Jesus. I don't see any other one crit power
16.
too fast. Oh, this is draw.
5,000.
Ian?
What?
You're grade 2. You don't twin draft.
Oh, right. I was drawing it. Okay.
Yeah, I know. You were reaching to do a second check.
Oh. 16. Oh, we'll get 5,000 from there. Harden.
There you go.
16 Vanguard.
You mean 21?
Yeah, 21.
Power to Caucasus. Yeah.
I'll just start.
Stand and draw. Ride. Machining Stag Beetle. Superior Call. Plus 16,000. Little Bees effect. Stand. Plus 3,000. Call Hornet effect. Plus 3,000. 12 to your Vanguard.
There's it.
32?
Further.
First. Second. Power and draw. 27?
Sure.
Your move. I'm on 8 in soul?
8.
23, yeah. That's center lane. Oh my goodness, that yellow bolt. Oh, okay, no yellow bolt? Yeah, there you go. Scrap. This Hornet. I'm sorry, Hornet.
So, hold up. 20, okay. 25.
No guard.
Oh, heal trigger. Yeah, one. Critical. There's my triggers.
What are you talking about?
I never soul short into single trigger yet.
Yeah. It's just like, that's usually something you say like when you haven't been hitting any, and it's just like, oh no. Ride, machining Warsicle, a special counterblast,
God damn.
superior call. Problem.
Yeah.
12 to your bank. Problem off free field.
Pretty much.
Wanna fight about it?
Hey.
You wanna fight about it?
Sure.
17 to your Vanguard.
Cover guard again.
First check. Second check. Power and draw. Cards in hand.
3.
Let's go for a limit break. Paralyze. And then this is gonna be 20.
Wait, I thought if it hit.
No, it's when it misses.
Oh.
21. No, 20. I'm sorry. Yeah, 15 plus 5, 20. It's okay, George, you get it. Here you go. Oh, you don't know the grade 3? Oh, this is delicious.
Oh, I can still soul charge.
You can still hold it.
I can still soul charge.
In the rest position. That just looks funny.
19.
Guard and intercept. Yes, Raider Mantis, draw trigger, 5k shield. That's why I guarded with the 10 intercept. Stand and draw. Call Machine Papilio. Paralyze Yellow Bolt. Yes, that is what we're going to do. 17 to your Vanguard.
Sure.
First. Second. Caucus effect. Paralyze Hellsteel. 14 to Ron. 17 to Amon. Here you go.
It stands.
Is it? How does it feel?
It feels friggin' amazing.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. 25 Vanguard.
21, 26, and 31.
Obviously all effects.
Nope. That was a crit and a grade 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stand and draw. Call Stag Beetle and Red Soldier. Making my nice lanes. 17 to your Vanguard.
And if I let it go through, you stun my Vanguard, right?
Well, if you let it through, you die.
Oh, good point. That is a good point.
If I miss,
Perfect
I
die.
stun your Vanguard, but it's also a Counter Blaster too
No.
that I don't have right now. First, second, nurture turn. 16,
Guard.
17.
Guard.
There you go. Enjoy it while you can. Don't worry, I have more. Actually, oh, I wish I had more Hornets. It's like
33?
33. So let's go for 41.
Let's do the pass, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm only at 4, so you'd have to get a crit to break my 2 to pass and still win. So,
Let me see which crit I got. No crit here. 1, 2.
I'm sure Ian counting his triggers is very entertaining.
It is pretty entertaining. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna gamble. Put it right here. Wait, no. Alright, 5,000 now.
All to win. No, look, you could have won. Doesn't matter. I mean, you still have a 26 2k crit now.
Yeah. How much 26 you said?
Yeah.
26 plus crit.
Card. Oh, cool. Call Red Soldier. 18.
How much is this gonna be?
16, 17.
1 pass.
Power. Forcible.
Dang it.
Machining Warsicle. Stand up, Vanguard.
Pick one.
Round 2, go.
Okay. Draw.
Go, go, go. Not in Mon Vanguard, cancel charge.
Third, I can't attack first. Go.
You could have rested in Soul Charge or Yellow Bolt. Red, Black Soldier, 7.
Mm-hmm.
Draw trigger. My machining Cicada Raidermen. They're in the mail. But Tamashi's here, leaving for vacation in a little bit, so
Kind of hurry
I
up.
wanted to get these fights in here and didn't feel like waiting for my draw triggers to come in. No guard.
15.
Huh. Stag Battle, no.
Stack battle.
Stag Battle. Ride. Machining Tarantula. All Caucasus. Red Soldier. 15 near Vanguard.
Sure.
Done. Caucasus effect. Paralyze. 17.
Gotcha.
Your move.
Not standing is not fun.
I know.
Oh god. Kill a unit?
I don't know, I kinda need a little B for my shenanigans. Yeah, fair enough. Little B is nice to have. That's gonna come in. Yeah, I guess I'll just grab little B.
Like 16?
No guard.
Critical?
Draw trigger.
You always get draw trigger.
And you always get critical. Stand remains stand no more and draw. Ride. Machine Stag Beetle. Superior call. And 32.
Jesus. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh. Power. Yeah, I got a bomb books. Power Red Soldier. Heal. Crit power to Red Soldier. Get red. 22. Crit 2.
My God.
If you wouldn't have killed Little B like a jerk face. Here you go.
Okay. Man, I can stand.
I'm sure you're very proud of yourself.
I really want to use this ability, but there's nothing boosting.
Yeah, he's gonna have to boost something.
25.
You just don't have Red Guards to play, do you? No guard.
There he is. Hey, look, Killtrigger.
Black Soldier. See, you could have made use of your situation without Rear Guards by at least getting a soul charge out of Yellow Bolt. Stand and draw. Oh my goodness. This blows. Well, I do, but I'm not gonna do that. 12 to your Vanguard. This is just...
Sure.
I do Stag Beetle and then it's just...
5,000 Vanguard.
I'm no healing for you, 16. It's like I do Stag Beetle Spirit Call and then it's just kind of done until I get on the ring.
So,
Like it's a period call.
wait, is that 2 to pass?
Yeah, it is 2 to pass.
Yeah, 25.
First, Tarantula. Second, Crit Power to this, Tarantula.
Jesus.
I run a crit, dude. 21, 2 crit.
25.
Oh, okay. One day I'll deal you a damage.
Eventually.
One day. When you're gonna run a defense, you only have like 4 cards in your hand. I have many!
You know what? Just screw it.
That Poetic Darkness row. That 14k row threatening my rear guard.
26 Vanguard.
No guard.
Draw trigger. 5,000. Yeah. Boat of Darkness. Draw a card. 19 Vanguard.
Intercept and guard.
Finally!
Stand and draw. Ride. Machining Warsicle. A special counter blast. Superior. Oops, sorry about that. Karen went out for a second. Okay, so your superior called a Stag Beetle here. And well, we're definitely gonna move him up so we can attack things. And that's just what we're gonna do. 10,000 to your Vanguard. 17 to your Vanguard.
Sure.
First, Black Soldier. Second, Power and Draw.
5,000 to Vanguard.
Caucus Effect, Paralyze. 17 to your Vanguard. Your move.
Short burst. Move back.
We do cross ride and we cross rid the things.
Oh Lord, man.
Good. So I'm not gonna hit your Vanguard anymore anyway, most likely at least, unless you're really desperate. Not to mention, that's only a 17 row and I need to make it better against your cross ride, Vanguard.
33 plus crit.
No thank you, sir. You're gonna have to park your card back, so. What was your twin drive?
These two.
Gwyn and Rod, okay.
11 to your Vanguard.
No thank you, sir.
Vanguard.
Time to revert my field. Go Stag Beetle. Go forth. Sally forth into the world. Cull another Warsicle. I will get it back though. Hang on. Let's get a Black Soldier and a Raider Mantis. So this would be the one time where I actually kind of wished it was Machining Cicada. But oh well. And because it's too delicious not to try and do Call Papilio, stun.
Right, sun's stun.
Oh, hang on, sorry. More elegant term, paralyzed.
Paralyzed.
No, he's
Oh.
out. Okay, Stag Beetle attacks Gwyn. 15 to your Vanguard. See, I placed the bad booster in for my Vanguard because I don't care about my Vanguard
How much
line because
you
I
said?
want him to guard it. 15. So that I can activate more system break.
Perfect.
Alright. First check, crit power, all Warsicle here. Second, Warsicle.
Ironic.
Limit to break. Paralyze.
Thought it misses.
Yeah, it didn't miss, it didn't hit.
Oh.
You perfect guarded. 23, 2 crit. See, that's why I placed the bad booster here. Because I'm trying to get him to guard it.
I need 5 more.
Yeah, 50. I see.
What? Wrong card.
No, that's
Wrong card.
Yeah. See, by being a by making a bad Vanguard, by making a good Vanguard row, he would have been more tempted to take it. Yay! I've decross-ridden you. Back to your 10k base. Oh please! Oh yes, please, please. I need to Stag Beetle and
You unreverse
Raider Mantis. I did it.
4, 5, 6.
Everyone I brought this fail.
9, 10.
Actually, hang on. I think I might want to keep my Raider Mantis here. I think I need it, unfortunately. Hang on. Yeah, I don't have to worry about. I don't have to worry about Vanguard. Cross Rider was here.
34.
You have to. You have to stop. I'm gonna have to stop that, sir. Yeah. See, this 15k Vanguard row is perfectly fine now. he's 10k. Stand and drill. Move Papilio up. Call kisses. Are you at 4 or 5?
4.
Okay. Yay. On hit pressure. And Tarantula. On hit pressure everywhere. 15 to your Vanguard.
Sure.
Bombix. Power here and heal. Yeah, it can limit break anyway. And Madonna. 19.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And 16. Ooh. Yep.
By 1,000.
Yeah, this trigger for game.
Oh, okay.
Machining Warsicle.